Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated with an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian grey. Starting our journey from the front, we will see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead with increased road presence. Cascading down the sides, the further luxurious and sporty dynamics continue as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloys. As we come round to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their cloud perforated grey leather seats, along with their cloud interior. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, where we'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed and your sat nav. Advancing over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access climate control functions from within your entertainment screen, as well as heated seat functions and further vehicle dynamics. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. Thank you for watching.